Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, October the 19th, 2023. We have two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Killer Sudoku and the Binary puzzle. Yes, it's 12 by 12, this one, a large one. And in this newspaper, yesterday we have no additional. Well, today we have the additional back with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letters Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, aka tectonic, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the final puzzle in this additional is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But now I will solve these 2 regular puzzles, the binary puzzle and the jigsaw. No, the killer Sudoku. Yeah, we have a killer Sudoku here. Alright, this one will be number. By the way, the news of today, well, I've told you the day before yesterday, there was Israel has bombed the hospital in Gaza. Well, everywhere in the world, people has protesting, demonstrating, protesting. Yes, in the Netherlands, in Germany, in Colombia, Colombia, yeah, yeah, everywhere. I believe also in France, in the US, yeah, and also in the Arabic countries. Yeah, so yeah, the war. It will be heavier than the war in Ukraine. Wow. Anyway, let's go back to this binary puzzle number 7296. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 36 printed digits, and it's a 12 by 12. That means in a row or in a column there are always 6 ones and 6 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O, double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. And now. Let me think. Double O, here one, there one. Now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, if I place number 6 here, the sixth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Well. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 4, 5. Need a 6 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. So these 2 boxes should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Well, we have here 5 1s. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 4, 5. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. And a no. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 4, 5. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Where is the opening? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 once. If I place number 6 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Yeah. I need to think. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I'm stuck now. So I need to compare, I think. I think. Yeah. We have a double one here. We have a double one. Oh, one. Oh, this is not the same. This row and that row is not, well, almost the same. Not the same, no. Not the same. Do we have a double here? No, this is not the same. Ay. Maybe the columns. Here we have a double O here. Double O, this is also completed. This column and that column. Let me compare. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. Alright, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1's comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Alright. Now. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, here or there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Need to compare again. Question. Which one? Well, I cannot. Not this one. How about this one? We have a double 1 here. Double 100. No. Not this one. How about here? Double 1. Double 1. No. Not this one. How about this one? Double O. 10 and a 1. 10. Double O here. No, I cannot. Should be the columns. Here or there. Alright, here we have a double 1 and a double O. Double 1, double O. Here. Yeah. This column and that column. Let me compare. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 1 1 0 1 1 empty box 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, correct. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 1s, so the rest are O's. And now these two. These two. Well, I need to compare again. I cannot compare the rows, so it should be the columns. Okay, double 1 here. Okay, here, this column, and the last column. Oh oh 1 1 1 1 1 empty box 1 1 0 0 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. In 50 minutes. Well, need to compare 3 times. Yes. Need to compare 3 times. But we solve it again. And I like this one. So we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.